Alright guys, so I wanted to make a video talking about a lot of the mistakes I've seen with uh, slope-intercept form and you guys trying to graph. So slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is slope and b is y-intercept. So let's say my equation was like y equals 3x minus 2. First thing I'm going to do is look for the y-intercept. I see minus 2 is in the b spot. Now normally y equals mx plus b, it's a plus sign, but we have a minus sign here, so you can think about this minus 2 could be rewritten as plus negative 2. So what I have is my y-intercept is negative 2. That means on the y-axis, I can make my first point at negative 2. All I have right now is 1 point. I can't make a line if I only have 1 point. So in order to get more points, I'm going to look at the slope. In this case, slope is 3. But I have a lot of people just going 1, 2, 3 points up and making points like there, and then 3 points up and making a point there, and then they're getting vertical lines. They're connecting it like this. That is not what's going on here. So instead, remember, slope is like a fraction, rise over run. So when it says the slope is 3, 3 isn't a fraction. It can be rewritten as a fraction, 3 over 1, which really means we are going to rise 3 and run 1 to the right. And then we keep going with that. Rise 3 again, run 1 to the right. Rise 3, run 1. That one was sloppy. Then, now that I have a few points, I could use a line tool and try to connect these things. And it should look something like that. So that's just one of the mistakes. You have to think about slope as a fraction because slope is rise over run. Or another mistake. So let's say my equation was instead negative 3. Oh, hold on. My equation instead was negative 3x minus 2. Well, in that case, my y-intercept would still be negative 2. I could still start here. And then people are going, all right, slope is negative, so rise over run. And they're thinking of their fraction like this, negative 3 over 1. But what they're doing is they're making the 3 negative and the 1 negative. That's not how this works. If you have a negative over a negative, it would just cancel out and become positive. This negative sign out front only belongs to the 3. That is negative 3 over 1. So it's a rise of negative 3 means go down 3. 1, 2, 3. Then a run of positive 1 means right 1. So down 3, 1, 2, 3, right 1. Down 3 again, right 1. And then I'd run out of room if I tried to do it again. So I could reverse the slope rather going down 3, right 1. I could go up 3 and left 1 if I want more points. Now let me use my line tool. Ooh, kind of missed there. Hold on. Looks something like that.